Hi guys, welcome to Chidre's Tech Tutorials educational YouTube channel. If you scroll down, you find web design and development tutorial section. In web design and development tutorial section, you find jQuery tutorials playlist. If you click on view full playlist, you find all my jQuery tutorials where I am explaining jQuery in depth and step by step guys. In this video, I would like to discuss few jQuery mouse events. Let's start with mouse enter and mouse leave. I minimize everything. I right click on default.html page, say open with the notepad. You can see the default.html page is open in the notepad. Its title is set to jQuery mouse events and there's a paragraph. I minimize it. I right click on default.html page, say open with the Google Chrome. You can see the default.html page is open in the Chrome. Title is set to jQuery mouse events and there is a paragraph text. What I want now, if we move the mouse cursor over this paragraph text, its background color should set to red. So for that, what I do, I'll simply come here. First I select the paragraph by saying $. In double quotations I say P. I am selecting any paragraph on this page. Okay, dot mouse enter, then execute this anonymous function. On mouse enter, it is going to execute this function guys. Now here what I do, I will say $this indicates the current paragraph on which we move the mouse cursor. Okay, here I say set the CSS type, that is background dash color should be red. That's what I want. On mouse enter, the paragraph background color should set to red. Save it, go to browser and load. So you see that it is set to red. On mouse leave, it should set back to white. Background color should be white. Mouse enter, we have written code. So all I need is, instead of mouse enter here, I say mouse leave, and here I say white. I save it, go to browser and reload. On mouse enter, red background color. On mouse leave, white background color. Red, white. Mouse enter, mouse leave. Mouse enter, mouse leave. So that's how the mouse enter and mouse leave events work. We have also mouse over and mouse out guys. Mouse enter and mouse over are same. Mouse leave and mouse out are same. So if I save it, go to browser and reload, we get the same effect. See, red, white, red, white. So I hope you guys have clearly understood. Mouse over, mouse out, mouse enter, mouse leave. Next we have mouse down, mouse up. So if I come here and say mouse down, mouse up, so what they indicate, if you hold down the mouse button, it may be a left mouse button or a right mouse button or middle mouse button. If you hold down the mouse button, then it sets the background color red, and if you leave the mouse button, it sets the background color to white. Save, go to browser and reload. Now nothing happens on mouse over, mouse out, or mouse enter, mouse leave, but if you hold down the mouse button, it sets the background color to red. If you leave the mouse button, it sets background color to white. Red, white, red, white. Hold down the mouse button, leave the mouse button. So that is what the meaning of mouse down and mouse up guys. Next we have mouse move. So this is executed when you are moving the mouse cursor on the selected element. So you can even use here a document or something. At present let's go with the paragraph. So here what I do, on mouse move, I want to display the X position of the mouse cursor. Even I can display the Y position also. For that I need an event variable here. And then here, instead of saying CSS, I'm going to set the text of the paragraph itself. So what I set text of the paragraph, mouse X colon plus event dot page X. So event dot page X returns the X position guys. So if I save it, go to browser and reload. Now you see that it is displaying the X position of the mouse cursor. See that 400 pixels, 95 pixels, 40 pixels, like this, right? So if I want to display y position also, I can display. Simply I can say plus in double quotations, I say y colon, again I say plus, I say event dot page y, so it displays the y position also. Save, go to browser and reload. So now we are displaying both mouse x and y position, x position and y position, guys. So it is displaying the x and y position on the document here. What is the mouse x position and y position on the document here? Okay, now we can test whether we are holding down the left mouse button, middle mouse button or right mouse button by using the event dot which property, event dot which, guys. So here if I come like here mouse down, if I use mouse down, and then in the switch case I say event dot which, and then here I am going to use brackets, and here we are going to check whether it is a left mouse button or middle mouse button or right mouse button. So left mouse button has the value 1, middle mouse button has the value 2, and right mouse button has the value 3. So 1 2 3. So simply we mention here case 1. So I can simply say here dollar this dot text I am going to set left, that means we are holding down the left mouse button, and then I say break. I am going to copy this and paste 2 times. So here I say case 2, here I say case 3, and here instead of left I'll say middle, and here I say right, RIGST. So if I save, go to browser and reload. Now if I hold down the left mouse button, it says left. If I hold down the middle mouse button, it says middle. If I hold down the right mouse button, it says right. So we are testing here which button we are holding down or clicking, you can say, or pressing. So that is how you can test whether we are pushing the left mouse button or middle mouse button or right mouse button using the event dot which property, guys. So that's about mouse events. I hope you guys have clearly understood. I suggest you people to try it yourself. Okay, if you have any doubts, feel free to put them in the comment section. If you like the video, please hit the like button, share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. In the upcoming video tutorials, we discuss more about jQuery in depth, step by step. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you guys, thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.